Hey, it's Bimerzen, and this is gonna be a really quick video to answer a question that I got on my channel. So the question is, can't you just put the engine in top dead center position on the cylinder and then compress the spring and remove the keeper without applying any compressed air or using a rope? So the theory is that if you put the piston at top dead center, then the valves will hit the piston and you should be able to remove the keepers. However, these N42 and N46 engines are non-interference engines, so that means that the pistons cannot hit the valves. So here is an example of my engine, and I have the cylinder number 1 on top dead center position. I have my 3D printed compressor tool here, and I already compressed both of the springs, and as you can see, now let me turn on the light. Yeah, they're fully compressed and you can see where the valve is. So you cannot rely on the top dead center position of the piston to hold the valves. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, let me know, maybe I can answer.